Operations management is the backbone of any successful organization. It involves designing, overseeing, and controlling the production process and redesigning business operations for the efficient production of goods and services. Key elements include process management, supply chain management, and quality control. Operations management, OM, is the administration of business practices aimed at ensuring maximum efficiency within an organization. It involves managing the processes that produce and deliver products and services. OM is concerned with transforming inputs, resources such as materials, labor, and information, into outputs, goods and services, while ensuring efficient and effective operations. Operations management has evolved significantly over the years. In the early 20th century, the Industrial Revolution led to mass production techniques, which introduced concepts like division of labor and mechanization. Scientific management, introduced by Frederick Taylor in the 1910s, focused on improving labor productivity through systematic study of work methods and processes. After World War II, the field expanded with the introduction of operations research and statistical quality control, emphasizing efficiency and quality improvement in production processes. From the 1980s to the present, concepts such as just-in-time, JITE, Total Quality Management, TQM, and lean manufacturing became popular, focusing on waste reduction, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. Several key concepts underpin operations management. Process design outlines how goods or services will be produced. Capacity planning determines the production capacity needed to meet changing demands. Quality management ensures that products meet certain standards and customer expectations. Supply chain management manages the flow of goods and materials from suppliers to customers. Inventory management controls the amount of stock held in storage. Workforce management optimizes the productivity of employees and teams. The primary objectives of operations management include efficiency, which minimizes costs while maximizing output through optimal resource utilization. Quality, which produces goods and services that meet quality standards and customer specifications. Flexibility, which is the ability to adapt to changing market demands and production requirements. Speed, which reduces the time it takes to produce and deliver products to customers. Innovation, which implements new technologies and processes to improve operations. And sustainability, which incorporates environmentally friendly practices and considers long-term impacts on society. The scope of operations management spans various activities and functions, including production planning and control, quality control and improvement, inventory control, supply chain management, facility layout and design, and project management. The production process involves the transformation of inputs, materials, labor, capital, and information into outputs, finished goods or services. It can be broken down into several stages. Input, which is gathering the raw materials, labor, and energy required for production. Process, which is the actual operations performed to transform inputs into outputs. Output, which is the final product or service delivered to customers, and feedback, which is gathering information on performance and customer satisfaction to improve future production processes. Productivity is a measure of the efficiency of production, typically defined as the ratio of outputs, goods and services produced, to inputs, resources used. Improved productivity means producing more with the same or fewer resources, and it can be influenced by various factors such as technology and automation, skilled labor and employee training, efficient processes and layouts, and effective management practices. Operations management is a vital function that affects every aspect of an organization's success, from the production of goods to the delivery of services. By understanding its objectives, concepts, and challenges, organizations can enhance their efficiency, quality, and overall performance, ensuring they meet consumer needs while achieving their business goals.